All right guys, so now we've got the booth up and running, and I want to walk you through the next steps, basically taking it from spray mode into the flash cycle, and we're gonna go ahead and take you on through. We're gonna show you the pre-dry, which is basically your purge cycle, guys, and then into bake, and then so on and so on. Just pay attention, we're gonna just walk you through. So currently right now, I'm in there spraying a car. It's 75 degrees, and I just finished up putting my first coat of paint on there, and I'm ready to get it all flashed out. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna press P, and as you see, it automatically turns on the heat, and we've got the heat set at 100. So what's gonna happen is, as you heard, the motor's starting to ramp up, and the heat is gonna start being introduced into the booth. What it's doing, like I said in the previous video, more airspeed, more heat, is gonna help to cure whatever panel it is that you're in there spraying. So now this is gonna go for an allotted time. We've got it set currently at 10 minutes. Pressure is reading at 0.04, which is fine. So from here, guys, what we're gonna do is I'm just basically going to show you, I'm gonna fast forward everything. So basically you're not gonna have to sit here and watch a 15-minute long video on this. So we're in P right now. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna back it back out and kick it back over into spray. By pressing and holding the cure button, basically acts as almost like a fast forward type deal. This is not something I recommend you guys do. Again, I'm doing this just for purposes of this video, just to show you guys. So let's just say it just came out of flash mode as it just did. You guys can see that the lights came back on in the booth. So what we're doing now is go back in. If it needs another coat of color, we're going to do that. If we look it over and everything's fine and we don't need to nib anything out, things ready to go, we're going to go ahead and clear it, right? All right, so I'm in there, I get the car cleared, got the second coat on there, ready to roll. Ready to bake the car, kick it on down the road, get the next one in. So what we're going to do now is, instead of hitting P, we're going to hit the double arrow, which is our cure. Now this is going to kick it into the purge cycle or the pre-dry. Basically it's going to heat it up to about 110, slowly working that temperature up a little bit, letting the solvents evacuate, and we've already got it set at 3 minutes. Again, for purposes of this video, we're just going to fast forward it a little bit so you can see as it kicks into the next phase. All right, now you can see it's jumped from here. You hear the valve go off, and now we've got a bake temperature set at 150. Again, right here is your countdown clock. You've got 24 minutes left on your bake cycle. You can adjust all of these. We'll do that in another video for you to watch. So, car is baking. It's going to kick off. Again, show you what it's going to do just walking through the system. You hear the valve kick off again. We've got a cool down set at 70 degrees for 7 minutes. This is all it's going to do. All of this is going to go through automatically, and you're not going to have to worry about it. Once you hit that cure button, everything is automatic. Walk away, start prepping up the next car, matching your color, do whatever you've got to do. Get ready, because this is going to do it all for you. So guys, hope this helps you out. Next video, we're going to show you how to start adjusting things.